Kaspa bullish news, new exchange listing, 240,000 plus addresses, and more adoption in general. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to do our typical daily update about what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price, in the rank, in the market cap. Also, we will see the hash rate, the categories, and the top 10 addresses. Then gonna move it into the technical side of Kaspa, the technical side of Bitcoin too, and we will close the video with the news around the adoption of Kaspa that are very important to point out. I would like to tell you very important things today. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. So it's going to be very beneficial for you to have a subscribe to my channel. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with the Kaspa price that, as you can clearly see right now, Kaspa price is starting back to 0.050 cents. We are 2% down, and some people say that Kaspa right now is weak. Guys, this is very funny because if you know and you have some knowledge, you will understand that Kaspa right now is starting in a new all-time high, okay? And I mean that is starting in the area of a new all-time high from a market cap side. You can clearly see from a market cap side that market cap for me equals to demand. Okay, the demand right now is very high for Kaspa because we reached new 88s from a market cap side on Monday. So that's huge, okay? And you can clearly see today we are very close to that previous 88s that happened on Monday. And the 88s from a market cap side was approximately 1.1 billion. But the most important thing here is that this 1.1 billion is with the current total supply that is 21.3 billion coins. Okay, that's why actually we didn't notice new 88s from a price action, because also each month we see more coins into the total supply. Each month Kaspa miners actually mine more coins. They provide more coins into the market. So this rapid emission schedule have a reduction of these coins each month. And instead of price to drop, because we used to see other cryptos to have this type of increasement in the total supply, but if the demand is same, the price drop. Okay, Kaspa actually price don't drop. And this is the most significant thing that you need to realize. So that's why you need to focus more in the market cap and not in the price. Price actually is the outcome if you divide the market cap with the total supply. When actually Kaspa will be in a point that the coins that miners will be able to mine will be very small amount, like we have a rapid emission schedule. Each month, like less and less coins are available to be in the total supply from a max supply. So after some point, and I mean like in 2026, 2027, each Kaspa coin will be scarce. So the more demand that we will have at that time, the price will skyrocket into crazy levels. Okay, at that point, I believe that each Kaspa coin will be above $1 to $2, the worst case scenario. So get ready, because you will see Kaspa in levels that you cannot even imagine in 2026, 2027. That's why if you actually in accumulation right now, this is actually the best thing that you can do. In 2026, 2027, you will get reward for that. Even if it's going to be a bear market, you will see the worst case scenario of Kaspa by 2026, 2027, it's going to be way high. Okay, we can speak like for $2, $3, the lowest point of Kaspa. Kaspa will shock the world. Mark my words, screen record these videos. Okay, you're gonna see these videos in 2026 and 2027 and you will remember me. Anyway, our rank remains 46. Obviously, we need like an exchange listing news like medium to big exchange, okay, like Huobi, as I told you. That's gonna actually skyrocket the price of Kaspa, not because of FOMO, not because Huobi maybe will buy some Kaspa, not because of these things, but I highly believe in that scenario, Kaspa will be visible in the coin market cap. And the majority of the users use CoinMarketCap instead of CoinGecko. So Kaspa will be visible, more investors will come, and the adoption will grow even higher. The FOMO will happen, and guys, if we will see actually a breakout of the 0.053 cents resistance, obviously it's gonna be a good way from the trader side, okay, that we long Kaspa, and all of these things in a combination will skyrocket the price of Kaspa into unprecedented levels. We will see that in the technical side. And guys, market cap remains in the area of 1 billion, within 1.1 billion. Keep the accumulation. Don't have expectations that Kaspa will go back to 500 million or otherwise back to 0.025 cents. This scenario is like impossible, 99%. To see Kaspa at that area, we will need actually to see Bitcoin back to $15,000. If you believe that Bitcoin will drop back to $15,000, then yes, you should expect Kaspa to drop back to 0.025 cents. But in reality, and let's be real, this is something that won't happen 99%. Okay. Anyway, let's move straight into the hash rate, because as you can clearly see, we saw some slight increasement, new ATH from a hash rate, okay, not so significant. 56.75 petahash per second was the previous all-time high from a hash rate perspective, from the computational power of the Kaspa network. Today we have some small increasement, 56.81 petahash per second. The current hash rate is 52.62 petahash per second, and as I told you, this number will be increased significantly by the end days of November, early days of December. More ASIC machines will be plugged into the Kaspa network, something that will skyrocket the Kaspa hash rate, the Kaspa computational power into very big numbers. Okay, ideal for furthermore adoption. Okay, we will have furthermore protection into the Kaspa network. Kaspa network will be way more safer, and in 3 days we will have a reduction. The reward will get lower. Okay, 156 Kaspa coins per reward. And guys, let's move straight into the categories, because as you can clearly see, in the last 24 hours we saw some increasement into octopus, fish, dolphin, and sharks. So as I told you yesterday, and also as I told you the previous days, you should rely more in 30 days count. If you are looking to see the adoption, okay, in 30 days you actually see that number. And from the top 10 addresses, guys, as you can clearly see, KuCoin stands in the same position, 804 million Kaspa coins. In the page 6, they got another 39 million Kaspa coins. In total, they got approximately close to 850 Kaspa coins, very close. They have like, they need 150 more million Kaspa coins to be Akuman. I believe their goal is to be there, okay, and actually their goal is to be there to hold 1 billion out of 28 billion. And the steps of KuCoin actually followed by Get.io, that is second. Actually today Get.io has a decreasement in this Get.io wallet. Okay, you can clearly see that Get.io dropped approximately 15 million less than yesterday, and Mixi has some small increasement, like 10 million more in this wallet. Let's see, we will keep observing that every day, so I will update you tomorrow with what happened in these wallets, okay, in these top 10 wallets. And let's move into the technical side, because as you can clearly see from a technical side, guys, Kaspa right now is in decreasement. The previous hours we saw Kaspa up to 0.052 cents. Right now the Kaspa price back to 0.050 cents, and in 3 hours approximately we will close this daily candle. Guys, as I told you, Kaspa will move the next coming days inside of this ascending triangle. I believe that this ascending triangle, that is very bullish pattern, will play out. Okay, I believe a lot that this pattern will play out, because this pattern is a combination of fundamentals and technicals. So even if we will see a reversal, the reversal will happen back to this support, so it won't be so significant reversal. I believe that if Kaspa will be back to this support, it's gonna have a retest, and then it will bounce. Okay, I don't believe that this support will break. I believe Kaspa will bounce from that, and that's gonna be very bullish for everyone. Everyone here is gonna be very positive for the next move of Kaspa. Kaspa investors, Kaspa enthusiasts, even the Kaspa traders will long this Kaspa position to the upside. Okay, but I believe that if we will break this current resistance, Kaspa will go like not so huge instantly. I believe we will go straight to 0.056 cents. Within 0.057 cents, we will have some consolidation here before the next rally above 6 cents. And I believe that this will happen with fundamental news. And I expect to see fundamental news like a new exchange listing that is gonna be medium to big exchange like Huobi, as I told you. Okay, so even though if we broke this aggressive uptrend support, I believe that Kaspa right now is playing more only this pattern. Okay, I believe that we are moving into this pattern, and I believe we will play out no matter what's going to happen here the next coming days. I believe that this pattern is going to play out, and I see that if Kaspa will do a reversal back to the support and bounce later, that's going to be even more bullish. The pump will be even more stronger. Okay, that's from a technical side with a combination of fundamentals. As always, I don't rely strictly on to technicals. That's completely mistake because Kaspa relies more in fundamentals. But if you have a both good combination, as I have 75% fundamentals, 25% technicals, 80% fundamentals, 20% technicals, you will be very accurate always in the next move of Bitcoin, Kaspa, whatever. Okay, don't rely only in technicals. That's completely big mistake, and you will get wrecked in a matter of time, even if you catch some good trades. Anyway, let's move straight into the Bitcoin technical side, because as you can clearly see, I told you that if Bitcoin will break this $34,800 resistance, the current situation will be very bullish as it is right now. And as you see, we broke this resistance of this bull flag, and actually Bitcoin reached very close to $36,000 area. And right now, the candle is looking back to $35,000 area. If this candle will close above $35,000, guys, the situation is going to be even more bullish the next coming days. So I believe that Bitcoin can continue into a higher level, like $37,000 within $40,000. And I would like to repeat here that I believe that Bitcoin will do a reversal in a matter of time. No matter even if we touch the $40,000 area, I don't believe this is the beginning of the bull run. I believe that we're gonna see huge correction, huge crash, call it as you would like, back to this massive yellow line that is right now very strong support, because previously it was a very strong resistance. You can clearly see we had retested that lots of times, even in 2021, 2022. You can clearly see this is very important resistance and support. And I believe that Bitcoin right now, since we broke that we will get back to that, and then we're gonna bounce into higher level, and we're gonna start building the bull run territory. This is exactly what I expect from the Bitcoin price as the next move. Okay, don't be in the trap that this is the beginning of the bull run. Maybe it is, but don't be 100% sure. I believe 80%, 75% that we will see first the correction, and then we're gonna build the bull run territory after the halving, not previously. Anyway, let's move straight into the massive news, because guys, I would like to share with you that Kaspa has new exchange listing, and as you can clearly see, as I wrote here in my tweet, Kaspa adoption is growing day by day, and you can clearly see that from the addresses. Okay, you can clearly see we are right now 240,000 more addresses. We are very close actually to 241,000 addresses. This number is always in increasement, and that's obviously very bullish for the Kaspa, because more investors are coming into Kaspa. We have more potential for more people to go like all in Kaspa, because they realize if you have some knowledge around the crypto space, around the blockchain, you can clearly understand that Kaspa is a better technology than Bitcoin. It has the same fundamentals, but with the innovative protocols, Kaspa is way better. It's scalable, has security, even more robust security, because the exploitation of the orphan blocks and the same decentralization is 100% what Satoshi Nakamoto envisioned for the Bitcoin. This is Kaspa. Actually, Bitcoin failed to accomplish the main vision of Satoshi Nakamoto. Kaspa actually finished the vision of Satoshi Nakamoto. So this is really bullish. Kaspa can be stored as value too, but also can be the peer-to-peer payment system as Satoshi would like to have, okay? And obviously, Kaspa is the only real digital silver. It's stateless money, is fair money for everyone, okay? And guys, I would like to say here something that some people said, that Poloniex exchange is not so big exchange. And my reply to that is, no matter, I have said that in the past too, but I will repeat that again, because no matter how big is the exchange, more doors are open. Let's give you a precise example. You can clearly see the Poloniex exchange is an exchange that operates since 2014, okay? And you can clearly see the Poloniex users are around 400,000 active users. That means that we have there 400 active holders, okay, that hold their cryptos in this exchange. That means that these people right now have access to convert, let's say, their XRPs into Kaspa, or their Cardano or their Ethereum into Kaspa. Okay, even from these 400,000 active users, even the 50 people will convert their Ethereums or their Cardanos into Kaspa. That's a big win. Okay, that's more adoption, because these 50 people maybe will bring 25 more people, like family members, friends, or whatever. And these people are gonna bring another 20 people, 10 people, 15 people, and that's gonna be like a chain. More adoption is coming because more people realize what they're holding, okay, what is Kaspa. So no matter if it's gonna be big exchange or small exchange, one more door is open, okay, even if it's gonna be small door or big door. You can clearly see Coinbase has around 108 million users. Poloniex has around 400,000 active users. It is what it is, okay? More adoption. This is more adoption. And this is exactly what I would like to tell you for the Kaspa adoption. This is how actually we're growing these addresses. And guys, obviously, at the same time, we try to educate the people also from these videos to keep their cryptos in cold storage, okay? Because you can clearly see how many users actually hold their cryptos in these exchanges. We need actually to change that. We need to put the people into the right path before they're gonna get wrecked, okay? Before they're gonna get regulation restrictions into their accounts, into these exchanges. Guys, we need to provide the right messages, and the right message here is to put your cryptos and obviously your Kaspa in a cold storage. This is the safest way that you can hold your Kaspa. Anyway, that's what I would like to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to check my Patreon group, WealthNet. That is a group that designed to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. In WealthNet, you will find guys in the Discord group, multimillionaires, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, whatever you can imagine, business owners. Everything is there. Very elite people. You're gonna see elite investors there. Okay, that's why we buy always the bottom, because we know what we are doing. We are not here randomly. Okay, you can clearly see the chart. Every signal that you see here is the signal that we bought very heavy. Obviously, we do dollar cost average every day, but in every of these signals, we buy very big bag. And as you can clearly see, we always buy the bottom. Okay, we never bought like in the area of 0.050 cents. And that's how you're gonna get a guidance how to be an elite investor. That's something that will put you in the right path of prosperity, and something that will bring you enormous wealth. We are not here gamblers. We don't gamble our precious money. We invest our money in proper assets, and we are waiting for price appreciation. And also, if you're looking, guys, to join via Lifetime, highly recommended to send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com. You will have furthermore benefits, and you will be in the inner cycle of WealthNet with the elite ones. And for those who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, where you store your cryptos, as I told you, because it's really important to hold your cryptos in a safe place, and that safe place is a cold storage. And the cold storage of my preference is the Tadgem wallet, and with the discount code CryptoChris, you will have 10% off. If you click here the link with Tadgem, you will get straight into the site. You need to go into the corner, up into the right corner, press get Tadgem. You will go straight here. Use the CryptoChris code into the promo code. Choose 3 card set. It's way safer. And that's exactly how you will be safe and how you will store your Kaspa in the safest way as possible. And this is the video, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.